Get ready for a delicious treat on Set Up at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.
Children's party yung talagang mag-cater ganyan. So, excited ako. Ano gagawin mo?
Well, I was thinking to do something different for the kids. Pero actually, medyo different talaga ito para sa kanila. We're gonna do something healthy. So,
dapat healthy for kids.
Healthy talaga, pero medyo subukan lang natin ito.
Masarap.
Masarap. For me, masarap siya. Yung sinasabi ko parati sa kanila na I wouldn't feed them something na hindi ko kakainin o hindi ako nasarapan. So we're gonna do our CDO liver spread sandwich with fried onions and radish salad.
Surprise the kids with something they haven't tried yet and make sure they'll love it. Whip up CDO liver spread sandwich with fried onions and radish salad.
Radish salad?
Very unconventional for So ito yung radish natin. We're using small radish. If you can find sana yung red radishes, yung maliit.
Yung parang turnip?
Yeah, turnip. That's good also. Of course, we're gonna use our CDO liver spread.
Ito na yung pampasarap sa sandwich natin.
Let's gonna make our sandwich. Magawa muna tayo isa, tapos let's try it first.
Okay.
Para kung meron tayong ibang gusto bigyan, pwede rin. Now, what you can do is, tulungan mo ako. You can peel the radish.
Okay. It seems I am designated peeler.
Or do you want to mix the...
Peel ko siya.
That's a mustard. Of course, radish. Not too much. Then, some white vinegar. So basic vinaigrette. And some olive oil. Olive oil. Can you add some salt and pepper? So ito na yung radish. Just gonna cut this. Thinly slice.
Meron siyang...
Slicer.
Ayun, I was gonna say meron siyang grater.
Parsley. Toss it in. See? Perfect.
So parang ito yung magbibigay ng sweet and spicy blend sa sandwich natin. Pero hindi na siya pa naman, di ba?
Yes. Yung maganda sa kanya, hindi mo lang siya kailangan, hindi lang siya for spreads sa sandwiches na palaman. You can also use it for other dishes like caldereta, like menudo, so
anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
Can you use it for that? Mga saucy dishes. Can you use it for that?
Saka parang sigurado ako matutuwa yung mga mommies sa party kasi ito yung gamit sa mga mommies na may alam.
Put it on a plate. Season it with salt and pepper. Do the salt. Add a lot.
Dami na yan,
Then, toss it. Add some flour. Add some flour, right?
Flour. How much flour?
1 tablespoon maybe. Bread. Your liver spread if you want to your bread. Generous for yun, Kasi yun yung magpapalasa talaga dito. Sa sandwich. Then I'm gonna fry the onions. Okay, you can grab a plate. While you're doing that, fry ko na yung onions, Sam, can you get me a plate with paper towels?
Okay.
So it's nice and brown. Here. See? It's crispy. Fried onion.
It smells so good.
Very nice. Like that. And chopped parsley. Simple sandwich siya. Konting-konti lang ingredients to maximize all the flavors of all the ingredients they put into it. Diba? Onions, may radish salad, and of course, our CDO liver spread.
Patikim na.
Look at our CDO liver spread sandwich with fried onions and radish salad.
Look at that.
Pinasa pa lahat ng onions.
Push it down. Nice. Take a big bite out of it. Was it good? Nice.
Nagugustuhan ko na mga bata.
The crunch of the onions together with the sweetness and spiciness of the liver spread. Perfect.
Sarap. Gusto nyo ng CDO yung ginagawa mo.
Yeah. Okay ka na dyan? Ready ka na? Ready ka na sa trabaho na gagawin natin? Here comes the real work.
Ano yung ginawa natin ngayon?
Wala yan. Patikin ba lang yan sa'yo?
Ha?
Patikin ba lang yan sa'yo? Pero the real work comes after that.
What are we gonna do?
Wala. Nasabanggit sa'yo. Magkakalawang kaya tayo.
For a copy of the recipe, log on to wmn.ph. Is made possible by San Marino Corn Tuna, San Marino Chili Corn Tuna, CDO Ham, CDO Liver Spread, CDO All-Purpose Mayo Dressing. Sarap at Home would like to thank the following sponsors: Kitchen Appliances by GE and Indesit, Cookware by Violetti, Kitchen Tools and Gadgets by GastroChef, Dining Set by Blim's Fine Furniture, Food Processor by KitchenAid, Robinson's Department Store, Tabletopware by Coach, Hulk, and Bestware. Home Furnishing and Kitchenware by Lark Intercommercial and Mirage. Rustan's Marketing Corporation. Maldita, Regatta, Formi, Carimadon, Black Sheep, Mental, Pen Shop, Colisiones C2, Analog Soul, Maldita Man, Apple and Eve.
They turned their backs on their past and found a new love in San Marino Corn Tuna. May sarap ng corned beef at sustansya ng tuna.
Less oil, lots of tuna.
I love it. Now that they've found it, they're never letting go of San Marino Corn Tuna. Find true love in San Marino.
Try it.
You've just enjoyed mouth-watering recipes on Set Up at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.